In this video, I'm going to show you how to emote in Once Human. So, if you wanted to emote inside the game, that's how you do it. Anywhere inside the game, what you want to do is, first, you can do it this two ways, okay? So, if you go and hold down your X key, then you will see I have 0 emotes binded right now, and if I want to emote of any emote, I have to go down here to where it says more, and release my X key, and then I can use whichever emote I would like. So let's say I want this one. Okay, as you can see, there we go, it's now emoting. Now, if you want to sync these, what you want to do is press I on your keyboard to open up inventory, go inside cosmetics, and then go under expressions over here. And in here, you can bind these in, okay? So you can simply drag them to where you would like to have them, as you can see, just like this. And then once you're happy with it, you can simply leave this screen. So let's say I'm going to put in all of them because I would like to have all of these. And then there we go. You can simply press escape key to exit this menu. And if I now hold down my X key, as you can see, all the set commands and all the set emotes are now available, and my character is currently emoting. As you can see, he's doing push-ups. And yeah, you can change it to whatever you want to and to whatever you have binded. If you don't like any of these, as I said, you wanna press here more over here, and you can select out of the actions that you have got. So, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.